Right? Because in the end, out of 90%, kung yung 90%, kung yan, nag-start tayo ngayon, 100 na simula nag-start today. But then 10 years from now, 10,000 na nag-start today. Hindi mas marami tayong enterprises in the end that will actually be successful.
Itong sa bike, ano pangalan ng bike natin?
Nifty.
Nifty. Okay. Pwede kang mag-crowdsource. Ibenta mo in advance yung mga produkto mo. Tapos yung
pre-orders,
advance
ganun?
sales, gamitin mo capital. See,
Okay.
you are not offering an ownership interest sa mga taon to.
Parang style ng
Binibentahan mo.
parang style ng Xiaomi
Oo, Xiaomi or Kickstarter or
ng
Indiegogo.
cellphone.
Oh.
Kasi nagpi-pre-order sila, flash
Pre-order
sales.
Ngayon, dumarating na yung pera sa'yo. Gamitin mo yung pera para gawin ngayon yung produkto.
Hindi bibili na kotse, ha?
Hindi.
Paikot mo na.
Bisikleta dapat ang bili
Ito dapat ang bili.
para makano, di ba?
Oo. Pwede
Ano
rin
ba
yun.
masasabi mo doon, ano? Miguel.
Well, actually, right now, ang plano talaga namin is to, kailangan muna namin streamline yung aming, yung resources, yung mga orders, as well as the supply chain. So, ngayon, we're in the process of that. Tapos, ang real goal talaga namin is to go global. Mag-ano kami actually, crowdfunding. We're gonna be using crowdfunding in the US. We're using, what do you call that? It's the one in the US.
Kickstarter.
Yeah, Kickstarter. Yes.
Kickstarter,
Yes. We're gonna get into that. Pero syempre first, let's establish muna the Philippines.
Sa Philippines, meron tayong The Spark Project, ha?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, definitely. Yeah. We're thinking of tapping into that. Pero syempre, before we do that, kailangan muna polish